Hey guys, Candida here. Check out the Rip It Softball Fielder's mask. What I like about this mask is it has adjustable straps, so we are able to tighten the mask to ensure a secure fit each time we're playing. It also has a spot for the ponytail to go through. The mask itself has padding on the chin as well as the forehead, so it is a comfortable fit. Here you can see the padding. And so the padding is all the way across the mask on the forehead and is also down at the bottom on the chin. So it's also easy on and easy off thanks to the straps that adjust. And just like that, she has her mask back on. And the ponytail goes right through that ponytail holder, so the mask is nice and secure. When she's out fielding, she has her mask on and it helps protect the face. Our very first season of playing softball, we were at practice and she took a ball right to the face. So I went on Amazon immediately at the practice and I ordered the mask. The mask has held up well. We've used it for over 2 seasons now and it's still going strong and it's growing with her. So I hope you found the review helpful.